Welcome to the final day of our 7-day mindful drawing challenge for self-discovery and inner transformation. You almost made it. Today we're finishing the cycle of the hero's journey. So you first were curious what this challenge is about. You heard a call, then you planted a seed of change. You were brave enough to go through resistance and allowed to let go. You then faced your first challenges that were preparing you for the main challenge. And you also found what is it that you actually need. Then you were even braver and went to the darkest, most scariest place on the day 5. On the previous day, you received a beautiful reward for all your persistence, curiosity, and bravery. Now, on the day 7, we are returning home back to us, but with a newly found part of ourselves. Today is the day of integration. We want to take all of those things that we gained and experienced and own them. And to proper feel it inside us, we will be drawing an abstract self portrait of the new transformed you. Welcome to our final drawing together. Take a deep, easy breath and let your body soften and settle. Place your hands over your heart or your belly, wherever you feel the strongest connection. Close your eyes and listen to this affirmation. Feeling whole doesn't mean I have no wounds, no doubts, no memories of difficult moments. It means I can hold it all. My strength, my tenderness, my fears, my growth, with compassion. It means nothing is missing and nothing needs to be fixed. I am here exactly as I am. I have lived and I have returned to myself. Now let's move to our final drawing. Open your sketchbook and draw a circle. This time, take it as a symbol of your wholeness. Begin to fill this circle with the different parts of yourself: the wounded, the healed, the developing, the developed. Let it emerge naturally with colors, lines, and forms. You know it. If you wish, you can gently embed the fragments of your journey, the seed of your beginning, the doorway you crossed, the challenge you faced, the treasure you found. They can be textures, colors, patterns, like a secret language only you understand. Nothing needs to feel heavy or overwhelming. This isn't a space for reopening the wounds. This is your space of integration. Continue drawing until you feel the circle is complete, whole. Option 2 for a clearer structure. You can draw a simple oval for your head and a larger oval or any shape for your body. Inside the body, draw your symbol, your treasure, your new self. Let the outside of your figure represent everything you have been, and the inside, the glowing essence of what you have become. When you finish, take a few moments to reflect. Write down 5 words that describe your abstract self-portrait. Then, write a short poem from your drawing's perspective, starting with I am whole this time. Finally, write a message of encouragement from your drawing to you, something that honors the journey you have made. So this is your drawing, or maybe a few, a reflection of your return. You are home. So this is it. You've reached day 7. You've walked through the full arc. Each drawing was a conversation with yourself. I'm so grateful you've shared this journey with me. So after your final drawing, take a moment to notice how far you've gone. It's something small, something shifted in you, something softened, something moved. At least I hope so. Hero's journey is a never-ending cycle. You can use this mindful drawing framework of hero's journey at any stage of your life when you're just craving some change or some shift inside you. Now you know that through the drawing, you can always come back to you in a safe, supportive way. And that's the main gift you get to carry with you. Thank you for being with me, for drawing with me, and well done for choosing to meet yourself through art.